Reusable Disper Wet Bags Travel Wet and Dry by Edif is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper accessories products. 3-pack reusable Cloth Dispaer Wet Bags Travel Wet and Dry Disper Pocket Bag, waterproof with 2 zipped. Disper Cloth Wet Dry Bags. Used for outside and travel disper bag. Good design. Comes with 2 zippered closures to ensure everything will drop out of the bag. Keep the clean and dirty diapers separately. Specified. Reusable and washable. Easy to carry and fix on roll. Packing including 3 by Cloth Dispaer Bags. Note: choking hazard. Keep away from child. Wash and line dry before use. Package including 3-pack dry wet disper bags. All fashion and washable. All made of waterproof polymer. Keep wet items separate from dry. Handle help you easy to carry and can attach to stroller. Dimension: 36 cm long by 30 cm wide, ensure enough space to carry your items. High quality cloth contains lightweight. Designed with 2 zippered pockets, convenient to carry your disper and other item. Second pocket side can be used to carry small items and wet items. Choking hazard. Keep away from child.